travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder where every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me. Feel so lucky, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Okay guys, so I kind of wanted to show you what it would look like in the nighttime or the evening time with the ambient light on. Obviously it's still daytime, but this is basically what it would look like at night, or what it does look like at night, and it is so beautiful. It's even more beautiful at night. It's the daytime right now, but it is so beautiful, and oh my goodness, it just lights up the kitchen and gives the kitchen such a cozy feel at night. So I am so loving the simple, just the simplistic feel of it all. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Just a little small tour of my kitchen. I hope that it inspired you guys to, you know, do something simple, do something classic in your own home. Shop your home. Don't have to go out there and break the bank, you guys, to decorate your spaces or to add simple touches to your spaces. Our kitchen works very hard, like I said, for our family every day, and so I just wanted to keep the countertop spaces just very neutral, very calming, and very simple, just not crowded at all. And I really do love the way that it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you can take away some tips and tricks for your own kitchen or your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Still can't believe